G'day and welcome back to the AMG Rebuild.
In the last video we picked up the car from Turner's and man, it was in far from desirable state. Yeah. We started pulling her to bits and all went pretty smoothly, all things considered.
Alright.
Probably my safety footwear was a contributing factor. Anyway, there's lots left to do, so let's crack on with the build.
So we did a bit of shopping last week and got some major parts. Managed to find a couple of second-hand brand new doors. We've got to strip them apart now and then we're going to get them painted. Then we can smack them back onto the car. I've also ordered a new tie rod end and a track rod end. Mercedes wanted to charge me $320 for these two. I managed to pick them up from eBay for about 175 bucks.
Let's unbox them and get them fitted.
I'm not sure if the wheel hub is bent. It sort of looks slightly out of line from the rest of the body. But I'm gonna put the wheel on first with the new track rod and tie rod and yeah, see how it goes. If we have to replace it, well, so be it. Tried with the clamp, but there's just no freaking room to work around with, so I'm just gonna go with the classic method zip tie. That should hold it together.
Obviously I will have to get these wheels aligned afterwards, but for now, just a rough measurement will do it.
Let's get the wheels on and see how straight they look.
In all honesty, it's well bent. I checked with the other side and it's completely out of line, so it looks like we're going to need to get some new parts.
I thought I might be lucky with this, but it looks like our luck doesn't stretch that far, so suspension is probably going to need to be replaced. I don't know. I'll look into it a bit more and yeah, try to order some parts in, but for now, we'll work on the cosmetic part. These doors are getting replaced next week, so yeah, still going. Let's get the hinges off, your T-socket. Now if you didn't know, here's a tip for you. If you're not sure what size T-socket to use, what you got to do is press your finger or thumb into the screw. You sort of got an imprint on there and you roughly match it up with the size. It kind of looks like a 45. And we are, and Bob's your uncle. I hope I can put this back together.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
Alright.
Let me tell you.
Cleaning these wheels is the last thing I want to do again. It took me about 20 minutes to get this done and they still weren't perfect. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Sell them or just get them painted. Now my girlfriend's probably going to kill me when she sees me using the microfibers to wipe my brake calipers. I'm sorry, show. I have already bought some new ones, so don't stress. This sacrifice though has brought them up looking brand spanking new.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you got this far, something clearly interests you about this, so why haven't you liked and subscribed yet? Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.